Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce email marketing costs with Constant Contact. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Constant Contact account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Billing and Subscriptions section. Review your current subscription plan to ensure it aligns with your email marketing needs. Consider downgrading to a lower tier plan if you find you're not utilizing all features. Explore the option for annual billing if you currently pay monthly. This can save you money in the long term. Remove contacts who haven't engaged with your emails in the past 6 months. This will help reduce your overall contact count and associated costs. Utilize Constant Contact segmentation tools to target engaged customers more effectively. This not only saves money but also improves your campaign performance. Create automated email campaigns. This reduces the manual effort and time spent on regular communications. Take advantage of the drag and drop editor to create visually appealing emails without needing a designer. Using templates can also streamline your email creation process and save costs. Regularly analyze your campaign performance through Constant Contact's reporting features. Identify what works and adjust your strategy accordingly to maximize ROI. Consider conducting A/B testing on subject lines and content. This will help you understand what resonates best with your audience, allowing for more efficient spending. Finally, keep an eye out for discounts or promotions offered by Constant Contact. These can provide additional savings on your subscription fees. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.